you quit?
Okay, there you go. Stop. Kev, you alright?
Activate the battery. Ignition. Fuel. Hey race team, welcome back to the channel. If you like these videos and are a fan of these cars, don't forget to hit that bell icon for those notifications and please subscribe. Now, on to the build. Let's take a deep dive into this car and we're basically going to talk about it, but instead of you just seeing me talk, you're going to see a whole bunch of old footage, clips, videos, photos of this car coming together to what it is now. And at the end of this, we're going to talk back about where we're at and what's to come.
We fight the unknown on a journey back home. What's waiting, I don't know. I'm trying not to let go, but I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and I gave it up, I gave it up, I gave it up. But I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and I gave it up, I gave it up, I gave it up. I will climb. I will. We fight the Seems it never ends. We are learning since we began. What's coming next? Oh, I know that I'll give the best that I can. But I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and then I gave it up, I gave it up, I gave it up. But I will climb until I reach.
Get in the car and pull the horse, man. No, pull the legs. Jackass, pull the legs. Don't call me a jackass. Pull this whole shit out. You can't go quick.
Okay, there you go. That's good. Stop. Kev, you alright? Alright.
I went to the park. No, don't do that. You're gonna get the stains on there, man. It's oil absorbent. Is it? Why would you get oil absorbent paper that is the stains?
I'm not gonna lie. I kind of agree with him on that one.
Why? Why? Tell me, Lord, why? This generation is
And now that you guys are up to speed with the build, Shout out to Donut Media, you guys are great. As you can see, the car is pretty much disassembled and it's just been sitting here in the garage. It's probably been sitting here for about 2 years. So what had happened was, I actually didn't do it, or maybe I did, I don't know. When I was putting the motor in the car, obviously I put the transmission onto the motor first ahead of time so I could put everything in the car at once. Now, somewhere around when putting the transmission on the car, I guess I messed up. So basically, what I'm trying to say is the car starts, it revs, but it doesn't drive. It doesn't go into gear, and I don't know why. So I will assume that somewhere along the lines of me putting the transmission together with the engine, something didn't fit right. I don't know, we'll figure it out. And we'll get down to that so we can actually get this car driving. It's been so long. It's been a total of a decade. So I'm gonna say 10 years, but a decade sounds worse. So let's say 10 years. That sounds worse too. It's been a while. So I really want to get back on this project and get it done finally. It means a lot to me, so it's gonna be worth it. So the plan is to raise the whole car up off the ground and separate the motor and the subframe and the transmission from the car itself, and basically just drop it on the floor. So you gotta get the engine hoist, gotta somehow fit it in this really tight space here, and drop the motor to the floor, separate the transmission, put it back together, and put it back in the car. In theory it sounds simple, but I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of challenges with that one. So that's one. Two, what I still need to do is headlights. I have no headlights. I have no working headlights. I have no wiring for the headlights. Well, I have the headlight wiring, but I don't have the wiring harness that goes to the headlights. So I need to finish that. And there's also a few other bits here and there that I need to finish in the car to really get it road worthy, road safe, road ready, however you want to say it. So it can be off on its maiden voyage, and that will be the happiest day for me in a decade with this car. Finally get to drive it. Well, there you have it, guys. That's it for today's video. Drop a comment down below if you're excited as much as I am. This thing is gonna be nuts. Oh, I really can't wait. You don't even know how badly I want this car to be running and driving. Every single time I feel like I'm so close. It's always 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but I think this is finally the year. And I say this a lot. I used to say it a lot, that this is my year. No, this is my year. This car's gonna be running. So drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this build, and let me know if you like it. Let me know if it's something that you'll have fun driving, and hey, if you're in the area and you want to take a look at it, let me know. We can link up, meet up, hang out, talk crap, and yeah. And hit the bell for notifications on the next video drop. It may be this car, it may be something else. We don't know. But I'm gonna try to keep this as exciting as possible for you guys. Yeah, it's cold. It's really cold. As always, take care, stay safe, and don't text and drive, guys. Don't do it. Later. Shout out to Donut Media, you guys are great. Spun around too many times.
We're already this far in.
Shut up!
Literally.
Shut up! Leave me my life alone! Alright? I worked too hard on this stupid car. I hate it and I love it at the same time.